Hello. So in this video, we are going to discuss how to integrate Calendly with Kajabi. So considering a situation when a new event is added, when a new event is added, a new meeting is booked using Calendly, then I want that same entry to be saved in my Kajabi forms also, Kajabi people tag, area also, all contacts, correct? So the flow is going to be like this is the my Calendly account, and if I copy this link and if I share this link with anybody, and if anybody books a call here, then the same detail, name, email ID, WhatsApp number should be saved in Kajabi. Okay, so that's a scenario. In this case, what we need, actually I'm going to use Zapier for this, and Zapier actually gives 100 tasks absolutely free every month. So I'm using a free account of Zapier. So you can create a free account on Zapier. Go to zapier.com. Now after that, first of all, we must have a Zapier account, we must have Calendly account, you must have a meeting available here. And also when you go to Kajabi, if you must go to forms, and there should be a form to capture the details from Calendly. Okay, so in Kajabi I'm creating a new form here. Okay, under marketing, and here I am typing Calendly bookings record. Okay, then click on save. So this is a new form I'm creating in Kajabi, and let's make it single opt-in, and when any opt-in happens, so it will be saved here. And I need one more field here called WhatsApp number. Okay, so these three information I need to save in this form. So there is no automation right now, I'm not enabling any automation currently, so that's a simple form I'm created. Just click on save button. So a new form is created in Kajabi. Now let's go to Zapier. So click on create a zap. Okay, and the trigger event. Okay, first we need to select Calendly. Okay, app event. So here let's select Calendly here. Okay, so yeah, Calendly. Okay, so event is when invitee created. Okay, when an invitee schedules an event. So let's select this, and then it is now asking me to connect Calendly with Zapier. So I'm clicking on sign in here. Okay, so when I click on sign in, you can see that it is going to ask me details about the API key. Okay, so to get this API key to connect Calendly with Zapier, we need to go to Zapier integration page in Calendly. So where it is, if you go to Calendly and if you go to integrations, and also important thing here is you must have a professional plan. I mean, you must have a paid plan. If you're using free plan of Calendly, this is not possible. Okay, so that's an important point. So I'm using a paid plan of Kajabi, Calendly and Kajabi both. So if I go to API and connectors, and if I click on Zapier, then click on go to setup. So this is the API key. If I click on copy here, and again going back to Zapier, and let's paste it, and then click on yes, continue. So with this API key, it is going to integrate my Calendly account. Okay, now it has picked my Calendly account email ID, and then click on continue. Okay, so let's click on test trigger. Okay, so the previous meeting it has just just picked the data, so it is perfect. And then let's go to continue. Okay, so when an event is created in Calendly, then action number 2, then I want Kajabi. Okay, and event is revoke access, create form submission. Okay, so let's click here, create form submission, and the new form which we created in Kajabi, we have to select that form here. Choose an account. So this is my Kajabi account. I've already integrated Kajabi with Calendly. Okay, then click on continue, and then site, it is Digital Networker Academy. This is my site, and then form. So just in this tutorial only, I created one new form which is known as, which was Calendly booking records, correct? So select here. So this is the form. So we have to now map Kajabi 3 fields we filled in Kajabi, correct? So we are looking for 3 fields: name, email ID, WhatsApp number in Kajabi. So that's why it is populating here. So name. So now it is going to, we have to map Kajabi fields with Calendly fields. Okay, so name in Kajabi will be tagged with invitee name. Okay, fine. Then email ID, it will be tagged with invitee email. And then finally WhatsApp number. So let's see, show all options, and WhatsApp number, let's map WhatsApp number also here. So let's see where is the phone number where we are asking the person to enter the phone number. So first name, last name, this, answer, question, answer. Okay, fine. Let's go down, and let's see where the person has filled the phone number. So invitee text reminder number, that's one thing. Okay, so I think we have to use that field only. Okay, so let's select this one. Invitee text reminder number. Okay, so this is a phone number which will be tagged with the WhatsApp number. Okay, of Kajabi. Click on continue. Okay, test and continue. Right, so if you go here in Kajabi, so we just tested it. If we click on save here, and if you go to submissions, okay, so you can see this entry which was there in Calendly, it is actually saved here, okay, automatically in Kajabi. So it is working fine. Click on publish Zap, turn on. So this way now this Zap is on, and now it will automatically, whenever I get any new entry in Calendly, it will be automatically saved in my Kajabi records also. Okay, so that is these are the step-by-step process we have to follow to integrate Calendly records with your Kajabi account. Okay, I hope you found this useful. If you have any question, use the comment box below to ask your questions related to any tools. Also check out the links in description section. If you want a tool consultation from me, then just refer the link in the video description. Okay, so do subscribe the channel also. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.